Hey, have you been dealing with this ongoing pain in your foot, your calf, or even your forearms? Well, this may be the perfect machine for you. All right, it does deep tissue massaging and it even offers heat kneading therapy. It's called the TERELAX Shiatsu Massager. And I'll be talking more about it right after this. Now, before I get started, if you end up liking my content, please make sure you go ahead and mash that thumbs up button. Also, if you want to continuously receive content like this, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe and the notification bell button. That way you can always stay informed whenever I post new content on my channel. All right, so let's get right into it. Again, this is the TERELAX Foot and Calf Massager. All right, and this can be used to massage your forearms as well, and I will demonstrate those. All right, so it's not a whole lot going on with this box. Let's go ahead and get past this so we can get right into the actual product. All right, so this is how the TERELAX Massager looks outside of the box. This is all plastic right here. Inside you have your cloth material for your comfort. The handle is metal and on the sides is rubber. All right. Now, the TERELAX Massager does Shiatsu foot, calf, and it also can do your forearm massaging. All right. Now, if you don't know what Shiatsu is, it means finger pressure. So it feels like you have that finger pressure massage when you're using this. All right. And this is good to help relieve of pain and improve blood circulation. Now, this thing also massages with heat deep kneading therapy. All right, so you get that heat and you have your different options here. All right, so I'm going to put this to the test. I'm excited to try this out. This would be nice for people, again, that's dealing with ongoing pain, or let's say you are the type to work out pretty hard at the gym. You're doing your cardio days, or let's say your forearm is hurting you or whatnot. You can sit down and use this while you're watching your Netflix or just relaxing. If you're working remotely at home, you can use this while working. You know, it's a nice size where you can be mobile with it. Now this handle here, as you can see, it goes all the way around and it's nice for carrying, obviously, as you can see here, but it goes all the way around. So it's no coming back and forth. It locks into place. As you keep going, it locks into place. So you'll just pull it all the way around. Make sure you stick the plug through it. All right, let's get this part in here. Get this out the way. And if you want it to go all the way around again or to come back at the beginning, you just keep rolling it that way. And you're right at the beginning. Okay, starting from the top, you have heating. So you could turn the heating on or off if you want the heating. You have different speeds, so you can adjust how fast these are going, or the massaging portion of it. You have a timing, or it says timing, but you can call it a timer. And you can have it as high as 30 minutes down to 5 minutes. And in different modes. So you have mode A1, A2, and A3. But I'm going to stick my arm right in here. Yeah, that feels really nice. As you can see, it goes back and forth. I forgot to mention that it does have the non-slip at the bottom. So if you're putting this on a smooth surface like a hardwood floor, it should hold into place. All right, so here we go now. Sit down here. Get the first dog in there, size 15. Stick it right there. And the next size 15. Yes, I have big feet. Stick it right in there. And guess what? My feet fit perfectly. All right. I'm going to go ahead and hit, and once you hit power on, it starts right away. And I got to tell you, I have to tell you, this feels awesome. It feels awesome. Really, really relaxing. Man. Extremely comfortable. And again, it's not loud. It's not loud at all. So with the different modes, what I just figured out, A1, it goes in a forward motion, a bit longer. It spends more time working your muscles in that forward motion for some time. And then eventually slows down like it's doing now. Then it's going to reverse it. But it spends more time massaging before it does the reverse. A2 does the same thing, but it's a little bit, the turnaround time is a little bit faster. So see, now it's reversing. This is A1. It took a while. For A2, I'm not sure how long it is. Maybe it takes a minute or two, and then it slows down, it stops, then does the reverse. With A3, the turnaround time is a lot faster. Maybe it's 30 seconds that is working in the forward motion. It stops, then the reverse. As you can see, here's massaging my calves. Pretty nice. It's probably better if you do it against a chair like this. Now, I am a bit taller than the average person, but it's still working that area. So what's my verdict on the TERELAX Shiatsu massager? I think it is a phenomenal machine. It does a great job of massaging those areas that you're working. Again, you have this handle. It's very comfortable as far as just putting your feet in here or your arms or even your calves in here. Very comfortable. As you can see, I have a size 15 foot and it fits in here perfectly and it works just great. All right. The quality build of this is premium and it's a definite winner. Now, if you're interested in the TERELAX Shiatsu foot/calf massager, I will have a link posted in the description section of this video. Now, this goes for $179.99 on Amazon, but if you go right now, if you are interested, there is a $20 off coupon that's available right in the store. So just go to that link, click or check off that coupon to get $20 off the $179. Now, this is during the time of me recording this video. I'm not sure how long that coupon is going to be there. So if you are interested, now would be the perfect time to go ahead and get this. All right. Now, this completes my review for the TERELAX Shiatsu foot/calf massager. I thank you for watching this video. And if you liked it, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Also, share it out and comment below. Until next time, keep it mobile.